Making a quick video here of a little bird mud fossil. Here's the part of the beak area, the back of the bird coming down. There's the tail feathers. The bird's just sort of looking, imagine it's just perched on my hand. It's the underside of it. Serrated feathers. So basically this is the back of the bird and it's just looking over my hand there. It's a nice little thing, this. Yeah, well, while I'm here, I'll just take another look at this fellow. And this thing has an amazingly large bulbous brow area. There's its nose and mouth. Pull back a bit. Okay. So there's the other head. There's one of the crocodiles. It is literally like a graveyard of fossilized stone animals. Oh yeah, I found this the other day. It's quite interesting. Don't know what it is, but it looks like it's a mud fossil of a creature. There's an eye in there. Something or other. And while I'm here, I'll just pick this up. Where are we? Yeah, I just picked that up in the river, so I'm trying to work out what this might be. There's a bone sticking out here. And here we are. If I turn it this way up, there's an eye there. Sorry, there's an eye there, so it's some form of lizard, I think. There's the nose pointing at the camera now. Now I'm going to turn it. There's the eye, just there. That's the head looking up. There's another eye. Okay, thank you very much.